5 smart ways to lower the sugar in your diet. Americans love sugar and we consume too much of it, which can lead to all sorts of health problems, including heart disease and diabetes. Even if you're not worried about the long-term health effects, there's one thing you should know. Sugar makes food taste amazing, but it really has no business being in your body unless you're going to work it off by exercising. Here are some ways to lower the sugar in your diet. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Be aware of what you are eating. Be aware of how much sugary food you are eating each day. Many processed foods have high sugar content, and even more so than their fat or calorie-containing counterparts. If you want to live a healthy lifestyle and keep your diabetes under control, being mindful of what you are eating is essential. Keep track of your daily intake by writing down everything you eat each day. It will keep you accountable for your eating habits as well as help inform decisions about what items need to be cut from your diet. Eat more protein and fat. Healthy fat is a good source of calories and satiety, while protein helps keep your sugar levels from fluctuating. A well-balanced diet rich in these macronutrients can help curb sugar cravings and prevent them from putting a serious dent on your waistline. As a rule of thumb, aim for about 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Eat real, natural foods. Although there are many sugary substitutes for natural foods, none of them are as good for us as eating real fruits and vegetables. Sugary snacks may seem tempting, but when it comes to shedding those pounds and maintaining a healthy weight, stick with eating real foods that you don't have to fake. Don't waste time trying out new fad diets or making food substitutions. Stick with what's been proven to work. Natural foods. Shop with a list. If you are already on a diet, always be prepared and go shopping with a list. Write down everything you need to buy before leaving home, including your list of new ingredients for your plan. That way, you will avoid impulsive purchases of extra items. When your basket is packed, stick to it. You can't make better choices when buying food if you are distracted by other products and offers around you. Another way is to get help from a nutritionist. One of our favorite ways to lower sugar intake is by getting advice from a nutritionist. Find a nutritionist via your phone book or online. There are tons of resources out there, including nationally available ones like you'll find on WebMD, and ask about methods for dropping sugar from your diet. A nutritionist will know which foods have high sugar contents from those that are healthy for you. Then he or she can make recommendations about how to avoid adding additional sugar to your daily meals without sacrificing deliciousness. I hope these several ways to lower sugar in your diet help you.